it's a nice day. It's a good outside, and I'm wearing my belt. Wait, I don't even have a belt. A blanket! Yeah. Got my pet lion, my ocean poster. It's actually a towel, but it's a nice day. Nothing can hurt me at this time. Yeah, nothing. What just hit me? What just hit me? What just hit me? Pet lion, do you know what it'd be? Okay, good talk. I wonder what hit me. What is that? Is this the worthy hook? I'm gonna pick it up. Oh, it closed. I'm holding it. Wow. I hope I can do some cool stuff with this. What am I? The hook? Did the hook just turn me to a monkey? Where am I supposed to? What am I supposed to do? I want to turn back to normal. That didn't work. What am I supposed to do? What? Wait, lie! No, it's me! It's Mexican Bird! I'm just a monkey! What just saved me? I did! It's me, DK, Donkey Kong. I saved your life, you're welcome, and, you owe me, 3 bananas. Oh no, I think you got this wrong. I'm not a really monkey, I'm a bird. Mexican bird. Oh, you silly, stupid monkey. You're so funny. Look, I'm here for my bananas. Where is it? I don't know. I don't know. You better know, or I'm gonna beat you. I gotta turn back to normal. Turn me back to normal. I'm back to normal. Are you okay, Lion? I know you're okay. I know you were trying to eat me because I'm just a monkey. I'm a bird now. I was the monkey. You know what? Eat the gorilla over there. Well, everything's back to normal.